Hello everyone, so in today's class I am going to teach how to make a cute snail. Many of you might be thinking snails are not cute, right? But no, it is. So for making snail, here I am using super clay. You can even use air dry clay or any kind of clay of your choice. Now use your finger to give the shape. Put pressure on one side and leave the other so that you can see the shape is going to look like this. Use black clay for eyes and marker for mouth. For ears, use small amount of clay and roll it out as I am showing in the video. Now for the body, use big chunk of clay and roll it out, and as I'm showing in the video, do the same. You can skip making leaf, but here I am making it. Instead of making leaf, you can even make bow. It will look more cute. It's totally depend upon your creativity. And here is the final look. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Bye.